We spoke about it last week, this being like a tough game. How would you sum up the game today? Do you think a draw is a fair result?
I thought it was two good teams, trying to break each other down, to be honest. And I felt that a draw probably was a good result. There wasn't anything really clear-cut chances-wise either way. Obviously, the first goal was a mistake by us. And then I felt that we were still comfortable in the game. I wasn't really worried, to be honest. And then when George scored, which was a great run, great ball, and a great finish from him. So, I suppose a draw, as you say, is a fair result.
Was it important for that goal to go in just before half time? Does that change how you approach the second half?
No, to be honest. It was obviously always a good time to score.
Yeah.
But we spoke about making sure that we built up in possession in a different way, and that's what we did in the second half. So it didn't really change anything, but obviously we're delighted to go in and level.
Well, you mentioned that little mistake that happened for their goal. Other than that, I thought Nath Williams and Sam Ricketts were brilliant at the back. Yeah,
second half they were very good. We know that we would have to deal with Colwyn-based physicality and running off the ball, which they did, and they got to grips with in the second half. So I was pleased with them.
We mentioned Ryan last week of how good he was in the midfield against Sly. I thought the second half today he controlled that.
Yeah, like I said last week, it's like getting a new player.
Yeah.
He was very, very good today. Very energetic. When we got the ball to him, we played through him, so to speak. So, he's got the experience and he's got the quality. So as soon as we get the ball to him, we know what we're going to get.
Yeah. We've got another big game again. They keep coming. So we turn our attention to the Welsh Cup. Does it change how you approach it with it being the Welsh Prem team, or?
Yeah, well, I think playing the champions obviously changes a little bit. We're going to have to make sure that we be aware that we don't have the ball a lot as much as we do potentially in the Cymru North. So we have to be aware of that. And it's the quarterfinal, like you say, and we go there and we give it our best shot. Make sure we prepare right for any game. And you never know.
Great, thank you.
Thanks.